there are a lot of misconceptions. So there are those minor details like how GPT works and why it can't search the internet and stuff like that. But overall, it's more like, on the one hand, people are completely overestimating its capabilities. Sadly, this happens to people in more likely in the C level and the management of the companies, which often don't experiment themselves with AI. So they have only heard about the stuff, but don't use it. And then think, oh, yeah, we can take AI to save a lot of money or to replace all the workers. I don't know.
Yeah, you have this quote by Sam Altman, I guess, who said you only need AI in one person, and when he's agile enough, he can build a whole
Yeah, but
company. So maybe the C-level thinks, okay, so I'm one person.
I know this quote, but it's different. He said we are living now in times where one person with AI is able to build a billion-dollar company. That's
Yeah, the
completely
details.
different.
Yeah.
It's not like you take a company with 500 people and then replace those people with AI.